In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ringcentral for communication. So Ringcentral is a leading cloud-based communication platform designed to streamline business communication by combining voice, messaging, video conferencing, and team collaboration tools in one unified platform. As companies increasingly shift toward remote and hybrid work environments, tools like RingCentral play a crucial role in keeping teams connected and productive, no matter where they are. So this video provides an overview of RingCentral, including its key features and the benefits it offers businesses for communication and collaboration. So what is RingCentral? So RingCentral is a unified communications as a service or UCaaS platform that offers businesses a centralized solution for handling voice calls, video meetings, team messaging, and collaboration tools. It's built to replace traditional office phone systems, providing a cloud-based alternative that is reliable, secure, and scalable. The platform is widely used by businesses of all sizes, from small teams to large enterprises, and can integrate with a variety of popular business apps like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Slack. With RingCentral, you can manage communication across organizations seamlessly, whether your team is in the office, remote, or on the go. So, key features of RingCentral. First is its cloud-based phone system. So, RingCentral provides businesses with a VoIP-based phone system that allows employees to make and receive calls over the internet. So you can assign local, toll-free, or international numbers to employees, set up call forwarding, and use auto attendants to greet and direct callers. The system also supports voicemail to email transcription, call routing, and call recording. The benefit of this feature is with a cloud-based phone system, your team can stay connected from anywhere, ensuring communication continuity even if employees are working remotely. The flexibility of having calls routed to multiple devices reduces missed calls and increases productivity. So another key feature of RingCentral is its video conferencing and team messaging. The RingCentral's video conferencing feature allows teams to conduct virtual meetings with screen sharing, chat, and recording capabilities. It supports large meetings and webinars, making it suitable for both internal discussions and customer presentations. Additionally, the platform offers team messaging, enabling employees to collaborate in real time through chats, file sharing, and task management features. The benefit of this feature is having video conferencing and messaging tools integrated into the same platform makes communication seamless and eliminates the need for multiple tools. Teams can easily switch between calls, meetings, and messages, improving workflow efficiency and reducing downtime. So additional features are the mobile app support, so you can access RingCentral's full suite of communication tools from your smartphone or tablet, ensuring employees stay connected on the go. Additional is analytics and reporting, so you can monitor communication trends, call volumes, and meeting participation through dashboards and reports. And lastly is integrations. RingCentral integrates with major business tools like CRM systems and productivity apps, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. So some benefits of using Central for business communication is first, it's unified communication. Next is improved productivity, cost efficiency, mobile and flexibility, and business continuity. So why RingCentral is a top choice for 2024? So as businesses adapt remote and hybrid work models, having communication tool that is flexible, reliable, and easy to use becomes essential. So RingCentral is a leading choice because of its comprehensive feature set, scalability, and seamless integration with other business tools. Whether your team needs a phone system replacement, better collaboration tools, or a platform for video conferencing, RingCentral offers a solution that keeps communication smooth and efficient. With 24/7 customer support, robust security protocols, and ongoing updates, RingCentral continues to adapt to the changing needs of businesses in 2024, making it an excellent investment for organizations that prioritize connectivity and collaboration. So now let's move on to the website. So from here, you'll see all of their products. So when you go to the products in the top, you'll see that they have this Ring X, Ring CX, events and video, revenue intelligence, and open platforms. So as you can see from here, they have this business phone system. They have personal AI assistant, enhanced business SMS, messaging, video meetings, cloud faxing, and all of these products and features right here. They also have the solutions right here by audience. The audience are enterprises, small businesses, startups, frontline workers, and Ring Central Ventures. And by industry, these industries are most likely or are using Ring Central for their businesses. Now let's move on to the plans and pricing. So if you want to use a business phone or contact center or video, so they have a bunch of different products right here. So business phone is the most likely choice. So you can either set up annually or monthly, and the number of users. Let's say you have 6 to 100 users. You'll see three plans right here, which cost for about 20, 25, and 35. So the core, advanced, and ultra. So from here, you will see all of the comparison. You scroll down, this is a more detailed comparison of the plans. So always make sure to read these comparisons and make sure that your plan has all the features that your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.